Hi, I'm Faster EFT practitioner Kim Brown. Glad you could join me today. I recently got my hair cut and my bangs are a bit too short. So I'll probably be messing with them this whole video. Not exactly perfect, is it? How do you feel about being perfect? You may have perfectionist tendencies if you can't allow yourself a mistake, if you procrastinate, if you resist change, if you work or push yourself relentlessly. How is that serving you? While it may seem noble, respectable, and conscientious to value perfection, let's consider its fruit. Perfectionism opposes creativity, growth, and change. It inhibits your ability to experience pride and joy in your achievements and love and value for yourself. It limits your ability to try new things, to learn new things, to explore and experiment. If perfectionism is a problem for you, consider noticing how you know. What are the beliefs, the memories, and the emotions that support perfectionism for you? They'll most likely be from your childhood. And keep in mind, since you have not yet released and let go of this program of perfection, it will most likely view these beliefs and memories as too simple, childlike, and insignificant to accept. That's okay. It's safe to let it go. And by now, that program of perfection has probably reminded you of just how imperfect you are. It's safe to let it go. It's probably reminding you of how simple this process is, so it can't possibly work. It's safe to let it go. If this really worked, everybody in the whole wide world would be doing it, right? It's safe to let it go. I let it all go. Squeeze your wrist, take a deep breath, let it out, and say peace. And go back to a time before you had to be perfect. Back when you could enjoy the simple pleasures of life, like riding a tricycle, or watching an ant carry a crumb, or lying on your back gazing up at the stars. Imagine it, be in it, and experience it. Notice how good it feels. Squeeze your wrist, take a deep breath, let it out, and say peace. Now, if for you there was never a time when more was not required of you, then just imagine what it would be like if you could enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Like walking on the beach at sunset, or gathering a bouquet of wildflowers, or laughing so hard you cried. Simple, yet profound. Imagine it, be in it, and experience it. Notice how good it feels. Squeeze your wrist, take a deep breath, let it out, and say peace. Consider giving yourself permission to practice this anytime you're aware that perfectionist program is operating, because the most amazing experience you will ever have is not perfection, it's transformation, the experience of changing your mind. Consider giving yourself permission to do so. You really are worth it. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, no matter what you've experienced in the past, today is a new day. See you next time.